Today, we're going to visit Nigeria. Here in the Niger Delta, we want to show you this very special fountain. There are plenty of local guides who'd love to tell you all about it. As you can see, it attracts lots of people. There's much more nature that Nigeria has to offer you. This will provide you with some lovely pictures. And what about swimming? Right now we're busy digging a swimming pool, so you can bring your kids along. Don't move that finger. Oh well, the lakes are fine for swimming too, see? And if all this swimming is getting you hungry, then it's time to go fishing. Just grab a bucket and dig them out. These guys are hungry too. If you caught a fish, just put it on the barbecue. That roasted bass looks delicious. Yes, there's something for everyone in Nigeria. And with this breathtaking view, we'll come to a close. Hope you liked it. See you soon on your own polluted holiday.
A fair share of this pollution was taken care of by Shell, with permission of His Excellency, the Honourable President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mr. Umaru Musa Yar'Adua.